So this is my new hair front loader washing machine. I bought a matching dryer, and I also bought a stacking kit. So this is the stacking kit number. This is what it looks like and what it comes with, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So this is the kit. So what you do is you put it onto the washing machine and just make sure the sides line up, both sides, and also back here, make sure it lines to the back of the washing machine over here as well. And then they provide you with some screws that you screw 4 of them, 2 per side, straight onto the top of the washing machine. So I'll do that now. So the screw that they provide is a self-tapping screw. So you just screw straight in with the screwdriver. You don't have to pre-drill the hole. So you just screw straight through the middle top. Okay, the 4 screws are in place, and now the drawer opens pretty freely. So that's good. So now we have to remove 2 screws from the front and underneath the dryer, that one there and that one there, because those screws will be used for this hole here and the hole on the other side. Okay, so I've got the dryer on top of the stacking kit now. I just have to put the screws back, one here, one here, and one on the other side.